So this video I'm going to show you to install CPU. So I have the motherboard here. So basically this is the CPU slot. So you need to open this cover. So there's a plastic cover. So you just take it out. So this one you can keep this one for future if you need it anyhow, but it's a very less chance. Okay, so here's the CPU slot. You must be very careful because those pins is very weak, so don't touch it. So here's the CPU. I already opened it. Okay, so basically you need to find there's a kind of the mark on one of the corner. Okay, so this is the mark, and you need to match this. There's a mark here as well, so you match them together. Basically just very careful, put them down here. Yeah, so it's a fit like this way. Yes, it can move a little bit, but not a big deal. So then we cover the back, so slide in on this screw, then push it down. Okay, so then this cover lock the CPU completely, very secure. So after that you need to apply the thermal paste. So apply the thermal paste here. Okay. You don't need to do too much, just in the center. Then you can install your fans, CPU fan. Okay, thanks.